Welcome to this channel. Photography, that's kind of a keyword for this YouTube channel. And today I'm very short. Yes, welcome to this channel. You will learn all about lighting in photography on this channel. And today we will light some cosmetic products. This stuff, you know, Katy Perry. Oh, today I lost it. Well, it's the first video of 2022, so bear with me. Kate Sharp, fantastic photographer from the UK, sent me this stuff. So it's kind of a sort of a sub's choice today. One of you guys join me and we take the shot together, but Kate cannot be here today, but I will try anyway, do my best. And she had a bit of a problem with this. It was hard to get nice light on every product because they are on different angles. This one is like this one is like that, you know, have like 6 objects here. So of course it's very tricky, but we will try. We will try today to do something fun. Another challenge is to show the logo or the brand name. What are they called? Eyebrow Queen. And you want to show that, of course. And on these thin products, it can be very tricky, but we will try. And in this video, it's kind of a 2-in-1. I will also show how to use soft and hard light at the same time. I've done this before in other videos. I can link it up here if I find it. But this time I will show you that you can do this with only one flash and you don't have to use Photoshop. Okay? It's very, very simple, but if you don't know it, you know. So how do we start here? Well, we're in Capture One. I have 5D Mark IV with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. I think it's around 70. We can take the first shot. We're at f13. Black frame, almost, because you see we get a bit here because we have this LED video light. If I turn that off, now it looks better. Black frame. Now we can start with the flashes. Today I have 2 Profoto D2s with reflectors. I don't want it to spread all over the room, bounce back, lose contrast. And we can turn on this flash, a head on. Did you see? There it is. And the reason why we're so close to the ceiling, because I have a white ceiling, and the closer I get, the bigger softbox, if you will, I will get. So I'm just bouncing it up to get a very, very big, soft, diffused light. Only this flash, one flash, and let's take a shot. And this is what we get. I tweak the power, you know, you always start, you can just put random power. If it's too bright, you just turn it down. First you pick the aperture. I chose to go for f13 on this lens. Probably I should go put it at f8 or something, but never mind this. I just want it to be as sharp as possible because you need to do a focus bracketing, focus stacking, otherwise the guy back here will be totally blurry, you know. It's a very deep scene from the closest point and to the back here. But now this flash bouncing up in the ceiling, and then we get this light, and as you see, this little guy looks very nice. It gets this hard edge, and this light, see this line, the bright line, that is the ceiling light, and where it ends, that's the black. You know, you can see it on the here where this ends, then there will be a black line. And it's the same for this one, kind of nice light. This in the center, this is the light from ceiling. And the black parts, it's outside the ceiling, okay? Because out here, where it's a black line, all this space is totally black, you know, so that will reflect. Yes, it will reflect. The black will reflect into the pen, and this bounce up ceiling will be the line, and we get this hard edges, and that is nice because it's a very glossy product and we want to show that. But this guy will not get enough light because it's not enough, because it's angled that way, and also this one is angled that way. So then I just put on the other flash. Boom, yes. So now we have two huge spots. This guy take care of this and this one, but all these other three guys angled that way will this flash take care of, you know. So let's take a shot and see if I'm lying. And boom, suddenly these guys also look nice now. You see? They also get this nice highlight. And the lower part here, that's the reflection from the material, the white surface. And it's not, maybe not 100% perfect. When you place them up like this, you see in the center there, this is actually that part, the brighter part under Queen. This is a reflection from the other pen, you know. And I think this was what Kate had a problem with. And you know, there is no way to do it perfectly. You need to take a few minutes in Photoshop and fix this. Or you can do a composite shot. You take away all the, you shoot one at a time, so you will not get any bounce reflection from the other parts, you know. If you want it to be absolutely perfect, that's the only way. That's it really. Two huge soft light sources, and that part would take care of that angle, because I wish I had a LED flashlight. And wow, I'm prepared a bit. Such a nice coffee today. Mirror, flashlight. To know where to place the light for the guys over here, because they are kind of pointing that way, you just place the mirror the same angle as this brush, and then I put this at the lens and shine into the mirror. Then it will bounce up in the ceiling, and it's bouncing up exactly where I place this flash, you know. And then you know that this guy will get this nice light if it's placed at the same spot. And this guy is like this, and it's sort of the same angle. So that's how you can check where to place the light source. And what else? We talked a bit about that you want to show the logo, the brand name. This is a bit narrow, this light source over here, so it's kind of cut off. You know, I could go up. I should really be up here with this table, you know, because then this light reflection in the products will be wider. You know, it's like if I place this guy, if I place this over here, we take a shot. You see, now this becomes much wider, so it should be closer really. You see, this one also got a nice light there, and we can do the same for this one, I guess. But you have to decide. I kind of love this black edges. So I think I would like to go for this. Yes, for this tutorial, to keep it simple, because I need to do focus bracketing, stacking in post. So, and I don't have my automated Hasselblad system. So I tried to use, what is it called? Helicon remote, but I couldn't get it to work with my 5D Mark IV. If any one of you have used Helicon remote with the 5D Mark IV, please tell me how to do it, because I couldn't get it to work. So this is how I would do this. And now the bonus thing, mirror. We can use a mirror to create hard light. And how I do this, you know, right now we have a super soft light, and how do we get a hard light with the same flash? Well, like this, done. Now I have a small light source that will reflect into this mirror and go into the shot as well, and then we will get the shadows. Let me take a shot this, because this is a super popular type right now, that you're shooting very, very soft. You see there? That's how we do it. Some shadow play going on, but at the same time, super soft light on the product. So that's it. Now I only need to do a focus stacking or focus bracketing, and then I focus stack in post. But I will skip this, so I will do a focus stacking after, and that is, I will start the closest point, and then I will change the focus, go through the whole scene, and then I stack them together in post, in Photoshop, or Helicon Focus probably. So, thank you for watching. I hope this was a bit useful for you. Just use different light sources for the different parts of your scene, because the light source is so huge, then the shadows will be very, very super soft. You know, the edges will be very, very wide. So it doesn't really matter if you have two light sources. The scene can handle it. It will not be some double shadowing going on, you know. And if you think it's fun with some hard shadows simultaneously, just use a mirror. And as always, I will see you next time.